Got some really neat content for you this month. The first thing I want to talk about, and you should check it out for sure, is my interview with my friend, top producer, New York City young stud, Eric Braun, how he went from being a top producer at a very early age with some really unique marketing stuff that he's done, really preying on that, what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. So make sure you check that out. We've also got a blog post up this month. We'd love for you to share that. If you have any of your friends, coworkers who might be interested in Whiteboard, it's a great blog on, hey, I signed up for Whiteboard, now what? It really walks through our setup process for you there. We've got a never seen before video interview that I did with Ernie Graham, CEO and founder of HomeBot. It's exclusive for our Whiteboard customers only. We'll probably roll it out in another couple of months here, but that's for you only now. Go ahead and check that out. If you have questions about what Whiteboard and HomeBot can do for you, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you out. Also, if you haven't seen it, we've got the video about the 3.2, 3.4 update in case you haven't seen it, so please check that out. And then some stats for February. 1,600 families put in homes, almost 500 million funded alone in the Whiteboard channel. So great job to you guys. Love what you do as always. I think you are the embodiment of the American dream, and and we all have more than the equivalent of 411 weeks saved with automation. One last thing, love to congratulate those folks who completed their coursework and in essence graduated and gone out into the world. And always I leave you with this: Whiteboard support. Reach out to us if you need help, if you want to turn on a campaign, if you're not optimizing it, please reach out to us. We'd love to get you started, get you helped out there on some of those campaigns. So look forward to speaking with you in a month. Thank you so much.